Hello guys, our course today is going to be about iPhone 7 Plus front camera not working repair. First, run cosmetics inspection of the logic board. The logic board bears no deformation or water damage issue. Now let's get the logic board and camera installed. Get the display assembly installed and connect the battery. Press power button to power on. Tap camera icon and enter into camera mode. The rear camera works normally. Switch to front camera. It cannot be activated. Next, let's check front camera connector J4503 and relevant circuit. Run diode measurement of pins on J4503. The measured value is normal. Next, we need to measure working voltage of the front camera. The two voltages, 1.8 volts and 2.9 volts, are power supply voltage of front camera. 1.8 volts outputted from pin U1 and T1 of U1801. The 1.8 volts voltage reaches pin 3 of J4503. By way of FL2901, C2914 and C2902. 2.9 volts outputted from pin P18 of U1801. The 2.9 volts voltage reaches pin 1 of J4503. By way of FL2903, C2909, C2904 and C2901. Since the 2.9 volts voltage of front camera can only be measured when camera mode of the phone is activated, so we need to get the camera installed. And connect the logic board with display assembly. Connect battery connector with power supplier. Press on and off button on power supplier to get the logic board power supplied. The system will then detect power button press. Tap camera icon to enter into camera mode. Run voltage mode measurement of front camera. Power supply test points FL2901 and C2909. The measured value of FL2901 is 1.8 volts, which is normal. There is no voltage measured on C2909, which is abnormal. Normal voltage should be 2.9 volts. Continue to run diode measurement of FL2903. Judging by the measured value, FL2903 is in normal status. We can confirm now that the fault is related to U1801. We can fix it by replacing with the new U1801 or borrow 3 volts voltage from other points on the board. Since U1801 is located on the backside of CPU, and replacing process can cause pseudo-soldering of CPU, here we will adopt the voltage borrowing way. Prepare a length of tin applied enamel copper wire of 0.1 m in diameter, with one end of the wire soldered to C2917, a 3 volt voltage point nearby. Solder the other end to C2909. Tips: be careful with your operation to avoid knocking off components around. Once done, clean with PCB cleaner. Apply some UV curable solder mask to the soldered area. Then solidify the logic board on the UV dryer lap for 5 minutes. Next, we can assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and cameras installed. Get the display assembly installed and connect the battery. Press power button to power on. Tap camera icon to enter into camera mode. The front camera works normally. Switch to rear camera. The rear camera works normally. Fault cleared. Warning tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 7 Plus front camera not working issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 7 Plus front camera not working repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rivatechnology.com. See you next course.